Okay. I'm going to do this quickly so I'm not making a big spectacle out of myself.
Well, this is going to end up on YouTube.
Everybody ready?
Yes.
All right.
Yeah, you're ready to be Facebook.
Okay. Let's start with the Connolly, which, for those of you that don't know, is the award given to someone who has someone who has a great showing in all three categories. It's kind of the Best Supporting Actor, Actress award. And this year the Connolly goes to Tropical Breeze. Oh. I think the booze might have had a little bit to do with it.
Has it 2 years in a row?
Okay. Best name this year was a bit of an upset, I'm going to have to say. She's going to go ahead and say that best name was a bit of an upset.
Really?
It goes to Milk this year. I just tally the votes.
What?
I don't make them.
Oh, John.
Best tasting this
Best
year
tasting,
goes
ladies and
to
germs.
Sticky Barcelona. I think that makes 3 years in a row.
What?
I think that makes 3 years in a row for a winner. And the big pièce de résistance.
Best in
Most
show.
creative.
Best
Most
in
creative,
show.
that means best tasting, best concept, best everything.
Best
this
in
year
show. Best in
goes to Justine Murphy for Tropical Thunder Island. Awesome.
Gotta overhype.
And I'd like to say two things quick while I have everyone's attention. First of all, the awards were whatever, like the little things that are stuck in the
Sounds
awards.
like.
They were made by Daniela T.
Yes.
Who is
All I did was add
Sean and Jeannie's daughter. And she made those.
Sean
And
and
I'd also
Jeannie.
like to say that our good friend Mikey is going to be leaving soon to defend our country. And she might not make next year's Oscar party, so she will definitely not make it next year's Oscar party, but she is a sergeant in the US Army, and she's our #1 girl.
on YouTube for you.
Yeah.